Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today's lecture is how we will join short forms with alif. Right? First we are going to write short form and then we will join it with alif. Bay, short form of bay, and then we will take it in upward position with and join it with alif. Bay alif, ba. Then in the same way we will write the short form of pay and join it with the alif. This is called pay alif, pa. Ba, pa. Short form of te, and we will join it with alif. Te alif, ta. Te alif, ta. Se alif, sa. As I told you before, that dal. Next we will write jeem, short form of jeem, and we will join it with the alif. Jeem alif, ja. Che alif, cha. He alif, ha. Khe alif, kha. Next is dal, dal, zal, right? But dal, dal, zal doesn't have a short form. So we will write dal and write alif separate. Dal, alif, da. Dal, alif, da. Zal, alif, za. Same as we will do the same with the Re family. Re separate and alif separate. Re, alif, ra. But we call it ra. Re alif, ra. Ze alif, za. Ye alif. We in the last lecture most of you have a problem. What is this? Re, ade, ze, ye. We call it. Some people call it ye, se, ze. All the correction is because it doesn't make any word. Only one word is formed with this word, so there are 2 or 3 pronunciation of it, so it doesn't make any difference. Don't confuse yourself on only on this word. Okay, now complete your homework and please send it to me.